Okay, derivative naman na. Ito yung two basic rules na siguro common sense na sa atin lahat. So, first rule sa derivative, any derivative ng constant ay 0. So, let's say hinihingi tayo kung ano yung derivative ni 67. Ang derivative niyan ay 0. Sige ba, hinihingi derivative ni 100. Ang derivative niyan ay 0. Okay? Ngayon dito naman. Second rule is ito. Which means, kung hinihingi, alimbawa, derivative of x cube, kukunin raw natin yung exponent, tapos ilalagay natin dito sa harap. So, magiging 3x, and then mabawasan natin ito ng isa. So, magiging 2. Alam niyo na siguro rin yan. D of dx, let's say, like x to the 7, magiging 7x raised to 6. Okay, so let's stack these two together. Dito tayo. Yan. Ito, this is pretty much like redundant kasi familiar na tayo sa rule na to. So, let's say binigyan tayo ng given. 2x cube plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 6. So ngayon, ang sinasabi lang dito, ang derivative ng function ng f of x plus g of x. Okay, wait lang. Masyadong malaki pa. Maliit na lang muna. Halimbawa, ito na lang. Ayan. Halimbawa, ito muna yung first given na. Sabi dyan, ang derivative ng f of x plus g of x ay same as the derivative of f of x plus the derivative of g of x. So, kung nakita natin ito, kukunin daw muna natin yung derivative nito, which is 2, baba doon, magigitong 8x, 1, or x na lang. And then, derivative ni 2, which is 0. So, ito yung sagot natin. Yun lang ibig sabihin nun, like, kung meron tayong ganito, long equation, iisa-isayin natin yan, tapos makuha natin yung sagot, which is ginagawa na natin, di ba? So, dito muna tayo. Ano ang derivative nito? So, ito, baba dyan, magiging 6x minus 1, 2. Plus, ito, multiply doon, magiging 8x minus 1, magiging 1 or wala na. 1, meron dito invisible 1. 1, baba dito, 2 times 1, 2 pa rin. And then, 2 na lang. Kasi, 1 minus 1 is 0. And then, anything raised to 0 is 1. Kaya, 2 times 1 or 2 na lang. And then, 6. Kung anong derivative ng constant, ay, kung ano man ang value ng constant, pag kinuha yung derivative nun ay 0. So, plus 0 or kahit pag na natin sulat. So, ito yung sagot natin. Plus 2. Ayan. Okay, another one. Let's say, hiningi sa atin yung derivative ni 6. Ayan. Plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 100, plus 16. Ayan. Kukunin natin yung derivative na ito, which is 6 times 7, magiging 42. X minus 1, 6. Plus 2, baba dyan, magiging itong 8. X 2 minus 1, 1 na lang. 1 or kahit wala na. And then, plus 1, baba dito, magiging 3. And then, anything raised to 0 is 1. So, 3 times 1 or 3 na lang. And then, any constant ay 0. So, plus 0 or kahit wala na lang. So, ito yung sagot natin.